Alright, welcome back to your Algebra 1 exam review packet. In this video, we're going to look at part 17, finding slope from 2 points. Remember, slope is just your change in y divided by change in x. Change in y over change in x. So to find out what the change in y is, we just have to find how far it is from one y coordinate to the other, and we have to find out how far it is from one x coordinate to the other. And to do that, we just subtract. So it'd be a negative 11 minus 9 and negative 13 minus negative 18. There's actually a simple formula for this. It goes delta y over delta x equals y sub 1 minus y sub 2 over x sub 1 minus x sub 2. And you might see this formula in other forms. It might be x sub a and x sub b, y sub a, y sub b, whatever. You might see them switched around, so the 2 comes first, the 1 comes second. All that really matters is that when you're subtracting your x coordinates and you're subtracting your y coordinates, you do in the same order. So if I go 9 minus negative 11, I have to go 18 minus negative 13. On the other hand, if I went negative 13 minus negative 18, I'd have to go negative 11 minus 9. Just the direction matters. So for this one, let's go negative 18 minus negative 13. And on the bottom, we'll have 9 minus negative 11. Let's see, negative 18 minus negative 13, well, that's the same as negative 18 plus a positive 13, which is negative 5. And 9 minus negative 11 is the same as 9 plus positive 11. That'd be 20. And this reduces, by the way, to negative 1 over 4. So our slope is negative 1/4. Okay. Let's do another one here. Our change in y over our change in x is, and I'm not going to write the formula out again, but our change in y, 14 minus 0, over our change in x, 7 minus 3, making sure that we're going in the same direction both times. Maybe I'll put some little arrows on there to remind us. 14 minus 0 is 14. 7 minus 3 is 4. We can reduce that to 7 over 2, and that's our slope. So a couple more. Here, our change in y over our change in x. Our change in y, we're going to go from 8 to negative 13, so 8 minus negative 13, and from negative 9 to negative 7, negative 9 minus negative 7. 8 minus negative 13 is the same as 8 plus 13, which is 21. And negative 9 minus negative 7 is the same as negative 9 plus a positive 7, which is negative 2. Let's see. And we could, by the way, your calculator typically doesn't like fractions with negative numbers in the denominator. It's usually a no-no. So you can take that negative sign and kind of just put it out front of the fraction, or you can put it up here with a 12. A single negative sign can kind of float around a little bit in a fraction. I'm sorry, it should be 12. It should be 21. All right, and 21 isn't divisible by 12, so we're just going to leave it as it is, and it can't be reduced. All right, let's do one more. Our delta y over delta x, our change in y over change in x, and delta, by the way, delta, it's actually the name of this Greek letter here, the little triangle, and it means change in mathematics anyway. It's just a letter in Greek. All right, so from 6 minus 4 on top, and we've got negative 20 minus negative 20 on the bottom. 6 minus 4 is 2. Negative 20 minus negative 20 is the same as negative 20 plus a positive 20, which works out to 0. And remember, 0 in the denominator is a no-no, undefined. All right, no slope. All right. So I'll get you started there. I think nothing worse on the backside. Make sure that you show your work, check your answers before you turn it in, and good luck.